Take command of the road in the 2006 Ford F-150 Super Crew. A 5.4-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 4-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, power moonroof, a trailer hitch, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.